So in the last discussion, we have displayed one record. For example, instead of displaying a single record, I just want to display all records. The complete table I want to display. Display all records is the class. Display all records is the class. The code is the same. The code is the same. The only difference is what? After establishing the connection, now no need to read anything. So scanner is not required. Scanner is not required because I just want to display all the records, not a single record. So here we are directly writing the query string query equals to select star from account table, which I have created in that database. There is no there is no dynamic value here. So it is called a static query. If it is a static query, we simply call this query as a statement query. So we create that statement object. Statement equals to, how can we create connection dot? So method is a create statement. We already discussed, if it is a static query, go with the statement interface. If it is a dynamic query, go with the prepared statement interface. Go with the prepared statement interface is a one. Now, once that statement is ready, is completed, so then we have to pass this query as an input to that statement. No. At the time of execution, if it is prepared statement like that, how can we execute the query? Statement object dot, it's a DRL query, so execute query, passing that query as an input. This query we are passing as input. So that we are catching, we are collecting that, one. So after collecting this, we need to display that one, into which first we collect into result set and then we display. In the last class, whenever you are looking for single record, either record will be present or record will be not present. Nothing but you have two options. If else block only. Record exists and record is not exists. But now here, whenever you are getting all records, you don't know how many records are there. If you are looking for only one record, if record is there, we print. If record is not there, directly you will tell record does not exist. But here, now we are going to display all the records from the account. Sir, how many records are there? I don't know. Then it's a while loop. While, it's not for loop. When we know exact number of iterations, it's a for loop. Now here, in the database, how many records are there? I don't know. Here I'm just writing the code and I'm checking that how many records are there. It's a loop, while loop. If record is there, it will return the true value. Then we are printing. All the details we are printing. Rs dot So we know that get int of 1 is the first column, comma. Next one, rs dot get string is the second column. Next one, rs dot get int again is a third column. So this loop repeats as long as the accounts are available. As long as the accounts are available. So when you run this code, see here, it is displaying how many records are present. All the records it is displaying. This is the one. Okay, right. This one. And the next one is, I just want to withdraw amount. Yes. Withdraw. This is logic is the same. But only thing is what? Whenever we withdraw, whenever we perform withdraw operation, so one by one, I'm just explaining clearly here. If you want to perform withdraw operation, you need to ask two things. First, enter account number. Next one is how much amount you want to withdraw. Enter account number. Next one is how much amount you want to withdraw. Just print on the same line, it will wait. Enter withdraw amount. First, we are taking both. Integer, suppose amount is equals to sc dot next int of. sc dot next int of. Enter account number and enter withdraw amount. Now in this one, first of all, directly you cannot write the query update query. If it is deposit, so whatever the amount you can deposit. But if you withdraw, first of all, you have to check that sufficient balance is there or not in the database. If the sufficient balance is not there in database, you cannot withdraw. So first of all, you need to get withdraw amount. You need to get that withdraw amount. You need to get that balance in the account. For that one query, string query one. See, getting the balance, select star from means all will come. I need only balance enough. Select balance from account where account number is question mark. So in this question mark, you need to set this number. But before that, prepared statement ps1 equals to connection object dot prepare statement, that query one we are passing. Now to this ps1 dot setting integer value. Only one question mark is there. One question mark, that number we assign. For this question mark, that account number what we have read, that we are giving. Is a 1. Now here we are executing. Is retrieving the data. Retrieving the data. So ps1 dot execute query. Execute query. It gives the result set same. Result set rs is equal to ps1 dot execute query. It's a result set. Now, as usual, if it is there or not, we are checking. If it is there, next method will give that true. If it is not there, it will give false. So directly here, giving that message invalid, invalid account number given. Simply that message is invalid account number given. So first we have to check at least account is there or not. If account is there, that record will come. If account is not there, that if condition fails, it will come to else block and it gives the message invalid account number given. Simply. Now, for example, if it is there, then we need to get the balance. And here it is also one more important point to you. So normally result is got get int of, now we use one only. One. Sir, already we know that the table has a three columns. Table has a three columns. This is a column 1, it's a column 2, and it's a column 3. This is the balance column actually. Whenever we withdraw, select star from. Select star from. But here it is, we select only balance from. Balance means we will get only one column. That is directly balance column will come. So now 1 means directly that balance column. See this one. It's a balance. If you write star there, then we use a 3 here. Get int of 3. That is based on how many columns we are collecting. Based on that, we have to give the number 1, 2, 3. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Here that the question is, once you get the balance, I'm just printing that how much balance is there, existing balance or available balance. I'm just printing that balance. Now I'm writing the condition. If block inside if the amount, if the amount what you are looking for, you are trying to withdraw, is less than or equals to the balance in account, yes, it's a success. Else, what we do? Else, we need to write account is there, but low balance. In this else is what? Completely account is not there. Account not found. But here it is account found, but low balance in account. Low balance in account. If balance is a sufficient, then yes, please collect the cash and we update. Here it is withdraw successful. Withdraw successful. But once you display that message withdraw successful, you have to deduct the amount from the account now. Yes. So string query to update query we need to write. Update account, set balance is equal to balance minus amount. How much amount you want to deduct? Where account number equal to question mark. First one, first query is for getting the balance. Second query is for updating that amount. String query 2. Query 2. That is prepared statement. Prepared statement PS2 equals to connection dot prepare statement. It's a query 2. We are passing that second query. We need to set the values to the first question mark and to the second question mark. For the first question mark, PS2 dot set int of 1 for the first question mark. For the first question mark, as we are providing this amount, how much amount you withdraw. For the second question mark, we are providing that account number, from which account number you want to withdraw. How much amount you withdraw. Next, what is the account number from which you withdraw? That is, and update PS2 dot execute update. That's it. Then withdraw successful. This line, if you want to write, you can write here, withdraw successful. So whenever you withdraw, if it is a deposit, blindly we deposit. But if it is a withdraw, blindly we cannot withdraw. So first we need to check how much amount is there or not. When you are executing that code, first it is asking enter account number from 1002. I want to withdraw 8,000 rupees. Look at the output. Available balance 6,000 rupees only. So directly you got the error low balance in account. I'm executing once again. I'm executing once again. Same from 1002. I just want to withdraw 1,500 only. 1,500. See, available balance 6,000 rupees. So that's why 1,500 you can withdraw. Withdraw is a successful. Withdraw is a successful. This is the simple way of writing that withdraw. And one task you need to complete. One task. In the same way, first thing, just transfer amount from one account to another account. One account to another account. So same like a withdraw operation. First one, you need to ask enter source account number from which account you want to transfer. Second one is enter destination account number into which account you want to transfer. Third one, enter amount to transfer. Amount to transfer. It's the same story. First, if source account is there or not, we have to check. Problems. Source account is not there. Is not there. Next, amount is not sufficient in source account. Then destination account is not there. Account is not there. If all are correct, then transfer successful. Transfer successful. This is the code you need to complete. How can we get that related required information? And how can we transfer the amount which is from one account to another account? That is.